MINO modular villas are designed to go beyond the limits of existing modular architecture. Specialized space modules for LDK areas, bedrooms, and connection spaces are tailored to the characteristics of resorts, which can be combined in various configurations to create a diverse range of spaces. By incorporating Heerim's innovative ultra-lightweight, ultra-thin facade system, the width of our modules has been expanded to 4 meters. Also, by combining modules with different floor heights, we have achieved a ceiling height of 3.3 meters for the living room. Our structural system, ideally optimized for villa spaces, ensures both construction efficiency and the unique spatial experiences. The fabrication modules have been reconfigured based on spatial modules, considering the efficiency and cost, mobility, transport, and installation. Sloped roofs are adopted to maximize solar power generation, achieving a 40% energy independence rate without compromising the attractive aesthetics. For flat roofs, non-irrigated sedum blocks are employed to create a low-maintenance and eco-friendly environment. Our commitment to sustainability is reflected in our material choices: upcycled textile panels for interiors and natural wood-based weatherboards for exteriors significantly reduce the embodied carbon and contribute to carbon neutrality. Smart technology that automatically adjusts lighting, curtains, and heating and cooling systems enriches the user experience and dramatically reduces power consumption. We are shaping the future of modular architecture.